Welcome to English Storycraft. Learning a new language is a journey, and every journey needs a good story. Here, we share simple, beautiful stories designed for English learners. Our goal is to help you improve your listening and reading in a calm, peaceful way. Sit back, listen, and let the stories begin.
The new phone. Alex is a student. One day, his parents give him a new phone. Wow, thank you, Alex says. He is very happy. Alex uses his phone all the time. He plays games. He watches videos. He sends messages to his friends. At dinner, his mother says, "Alex, please put your phone away." "Okay," Alex says, but he still looks at it. At school, Alex uses his phone too much. He does not listen in class. He does not talk to his friends. One day, his friend Ben says, "Let's play soccer." Alex shakes his head. "No, I want to play this game," he says. Ben feels sad. That night, Alex is in his room. He plays a game on his phone. Suddenly, the phone stops. "Oh no!" Alex says. He tries again, but the phone does not work. The next day, Alex feels bored. He has no phone. He looks around. He sees his family. He talks with them. He laughs. At school, he talks to Ben. "Do you want to play soccer?" Alex asks. Ben smiles. "Yes." They play together. Alex feels happy. That night, his father says, "Your phone is okay now." Alex looks at it. Then he smiles. "I will use it less," he says. "I like talking and playing more."